Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to the Airtel 4G speed test and the download test comparison between the iQOO 7 versus the Realme X7 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by plenty of subscribers asking me to compare. But previously I did have only one Airtel SIM card, but right now I do have two Airtel SIM card in two phones. So this is going to be really interesting test, friends. So try to watch till end of the video. Don't try to skip any part. So first, let's talk about the 4G plus support. So in this location right now, I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus aggregation. As you can see in RX Monitor application, I'm not getting at all. And next, let's open the NetMonster application just to show you what kind of band frequency both phones are connected. So right now the iQOO 7 is connected to the 2100, as you can see. And where is the Realme X7 Max? Let me just show you exactly. 2300, as you can see, which I'm getting the 4G plus just now. Just now I did receive the 4G plus in this Realme X7 Max. And even in the iQOO 7 device also I did get the 4G plus, as you can see. So same band. So both phones are having the 4G plus aggregation in this location. Let me try to show you the RX Monitor application again, just for the confirmation again. As you can see, both phones 2CE and 15 plus 15 band. So same band frequency, both phones are connected at the same time. And this is going to be really interesting test to see which phone will be download this application Spotify faster. So this is only 30 MB size, only 30 MB, as you can see, friends, both phones. So trying to download right now. And whereas the Realme X7 Max was able to get the download speeds fast, but let's see the high speeds on the notification bar. Try to observe the notification bar speeds, what phones are having what kind of speeds. And you can see both phones are kind of same bandwidth, exactly 2300 they did connect. And you will be able to see the difference in terms of the speeds as well between both phones. So I'm trying to download at same time. So you did see the result, right? How it is a difference between both devices at this point. So the iQOO 7 device took little bit kind of more time to initially started to download. That's the one reason. But right now still it's taking a little bit kind of more time. The iQOO 7 device using the Airtel SIM card at same location, as you can see. So these are the results which we got. Still iQOO 7 is taking a lot of time. So what we'll try to do, we'll try to cancel and I'll try to start the test one by one. So I'll try to start the stopwatch exactly when it's showing installing. Yes. As you can see, friends, right now the stopwatch is started and you will be able to see the speeds on the notification panel exactly what is happening. In the notification panel, the speeds I'm getting about, I think, close to 1.7 Mbps of speeds. The speed at any moment this will complete 87%, 97% installing. 24 seconds of time. The iQOO 7 took about 24 seconds of time to download this application. Let me try to restart and 24 seconds, and let's see. Sorry, exactly installing. Only then I'll try to click the stopwatch, because sometimes the pending is taking a lot of time. So that is the reason I thought of just starting the stopwatch when we see the installing. So right now the Realme X7 Max is downloading with full speed, full throttle, and let's see what happens. So will this phone will be able to download in the 24 seconds? Yes, 19 seconds of time. So it's same location, it's same band, both phones are connected, and you can see the different speed results in terms of the download. Just the download only, friends. I need to do the speed test as well. So let's open the speed test application. Why not? Let's see what will happen with the speeds. So what kind of speeds we can actually expect between both phones. So this is going to be really interesting, and let me need to connect to the same server. So both are connected to the Airtel broadband Bangalore, and let me need to start at same time. So now let's see. So on the top, 2300, 4G plus, Airtel, everything at same location at same time, 11 and 5 Mbps speeds. As you can see, friends, there's difference between iQOO 7 and the Realme X7 Max in terms of the Airtel SIM card. So again, I'll try to do the individual speed test as well. So one time in the Realme X7 Max and one time in the iQOO 7 device. So in this way, we'll be able to figure out what is happening with the speeds. So right now, the upload speeds are kind of close to 0.80, not bad. Yes, the Realme X7 Max finished, and let's start again in the iQOO 7 device one more time. Let's see what happens now. So individual test will get the different kind of results when you're trying to do. So right now it's kind of starting, and still 4G plus we are having on the top of the notification panel. It's taking slightly some time to start. Let's see how much more time it will take. The speed started in the iQOO 7 device, which reached up to 10 Mbps of speeds, not bad, 10.4 and 10.68 think 10.8. So sorry, 9.68 and 9. So 9.23 is the speed right now which we go. As you can see, 9.23 is the speeds in this iQOO 7 device at this location. As you can see, friends, clearly 9.23. And now once after this phone finish, I'll try to start in the in the Realme X1 Max. Let's see how much the Realme X1 Max can get this kind of speeds. In the Realme X1 Max, the speeds are up to 14-13 Mbps of speed. It's not bad, as you can see. And it came down up to 6 and 7. Same band, 4G plus, it's connected. Let's see whether this will be the highest than the iQOO 7 or not. Slightly highest, little bit, not much. As you can see, friends, this is the comparison between both phones in terms of the speeds. And so far in terms of the speeds, the Realme X1 Max has got the slightly better points when compared with the iQOO 7 device in terms of using the Airtel SIM card at same location at same time, connecting to the same bandwidth and 4G plus everything same completely, and slightly better results we are seeing in the Realme X1 Max. Just a little bit, not much. As you can see, the Realme X1 Max is trying, and even the iQOO 7 also trying to be on the lead. But Realme X1 Max slightly, it's kind of coming close to 10. It's want to be in the top, but not, just a little bit. But both are kind of slightly close to each other only, friends. And that's it for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Bye.